Hey there, thanks for watching my Emails to Profits review by Brendan Mace, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This honest review is based on my opinion of purchasing this product and researching this dashboard to see what strategy they're trying to get you to use and all of the problems that I see with it. If you're looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Email to Profits promises us. Just set and forget their email system with everything 100% done for you. This makes them $338 per minute. Without ever creating product, without fulfilling services, without running ads, or ever doing customer service, and best of all, only working 0 to 10 minutes a day, all while automatically generating sales 24/7, 365. So they're telling us this offer expires tomorrow, but if we look at their sales page from yesterday, they also tell us the offer expires tomorrow. So they're just going to keep changing this and hope that you don't notice it. The first sentence about what is Email to Profits tells us Email to Profits is an ethical and disruptive system that generates leads and sales for him even when he's busy living life or doing other things. Anytime a vendor has to tell me something is ethical, my red flags go right up. And they should once I found out what this product does. So this is supposed to be a business machine that's going to work for you 24/7, where all you have to do is oversee the system. You're going to activate your email marketing empire without working hard, without techie stuff, and without monthly fee. Here we are in the Email to Profits dashboard. First thing you want to do is come watch the tutorials. This is about a 5-minute video, so there wasn't a whole lot of information in here. Next, you'll come into the dashboard. First thing we want to do is search for these emails that they promised us. And now we have an API key missing. So if we click here, they want us to watch this reference video to learn how to get our key. Immediately when I came in here, I realized that this looks a whole lot like Email to Profits. We got emails and autoresponder. So now we know he's just taken ProfitMate and combined it with another product for Email to Profits. If we could search emails, it would look like this. You would enter your niche and search for emails. What this is going to do is something that's called email scraping. It's also known as lead scraping or email harvesting. There is a debate on whether email scraping is legal or not. If you do a Google search, your first result will say harvesting emails is illegal in many countries. However, the second result will tell you that it is entirely legal to scrape email addresses. Whether it is legal or not, email scraping is not going to be great for your business. The emails are going to be low quality, and there is absolutely no right way to use this functionality. Mass emailing email addresses you scraped from the web is considered spam, and professional marketers do not harvest email addresses through scraping because they know better. If you guys are interested in this email scraping strategy buster cheat sheet, be sure to check out the video linked above where Kim goes into detail about email scraping, and this cheat sheet is attached. Next, we'll look at the autoresponder. If we go into broadcasts, we'll try to add a new broadcast, and we cannot because now we need SMTP details. An SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol, and it's the industry standard to send emails on the internet. So they're giving you an autoresponder with no way to actually send emails. They do have some free services, but most are paid, so there is an extra cost to this that they did not tell you about. This would be a standard template for any broadcast email. So that's nothing special. We'll look at the email templates. Here they give us a total of 5 email templates. If you have any knowledge of an email sequence, you know that you need at least 7 to 10 emails sent out for somebody who does not know you to start to trust you and what you say and what you recommend. 5 is not going to be nearly enough to start an adequate email sequence. If we look at one of the emails, I'm speaking specifically to affiliate marketers right now, but this applies to everyone. I promise you that if you take a few minutes to reflect on how you invest your time into generating income, you are going to find some things that you don't give you a good return on your investment. Not horrible. There are a few things I would change, but 5 is still not going to be nearly enough for an adequate email sequence. Next, we'll look at the funnels. If we create a funnel, there are 3 different types. There's an opt-in, a sales page, and a membership. If we take a look, they give you 2 templates and a blank. If we take a look at this one, immediately when I came in here, something seemed really familiar. And then I noticed this little logo over here. We know he put Profit Mate in here, which was his February launch, because that's the email scraping. But if we look at his July launch, which was called Profit Funnels, that's the same logo. And if we scroll down and look at some of the templates that they offer, that one looks familiar. That's the builder. That one looks like the one I'm working on right now. And if we try to add elements, this is Profit Funnels dropped into email profits. Looks exactly the same. So now we know that Brendan Mace just combined 2 of his previous products together to release email to profits to you guys. He does do this over and over again, at least once a month and sometimes twice a month. And this is how he makes his money, is releasing these products, not actually using them. Because as we can tell, email to profits isn't actually working right now anyway. Once we purchased email to profits, we did see the upsells. It is actually $17 on the front end. You can see upsell number 1 is going to be the unlimited version. So there will be limitations in the front end that they did not tell us about, and we have no idea what they are yet. Upsell number 1 is going to be $67. OTO number 2 is the done for you at $197. OTO number 3 is the infinite profit sequence, also at $197. OTO number 4 is limitless traffic, also $197. And OTO number 5 is license rights at $167. All total, email to profits is going to run you $842 for a product that I can't even get to work. Guys, don't waste your time or your money on email to profits. This is just 2 previous products that he's released that he's combined together. Legal, illegal, ethical, unethical, I'll leave that up to you, but I am not interested in email scraping. He told us no techie stuff. I have been around in circles getting my Google API key, and you will also have an extra expense of an SMTP so that you can actually use the free autoresponder. If you're looking for honest, free training to learn ethical ways to make money online, be sure to go down to that instant access link in the description below. If this video helped you out, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.